Peace. It's your boy Sir Stallion. A lot of y'all don't know what dropshipping is, so let me show you. Click the link in my bio and go to my store. This is my store. I use the eBay platform. See, when I be talking about you gotta pick your platform, a lot of y'all don't know what I'm talking about, so let me show you. We're using eBay platform because eBay generates its own traffic every day, right? This is what I've been talking about over and over and over. And what is dropshipping? You getting the product from a different vendor, posting it on your platform. The customer comes to your page, buys the product, you get a profit from it, right? On Saturday, we'll be doing a live setup class. I'm gonna be creating a store from scratch. So if you haven't gotten the ebook already, click the link in my bio. What the F is dropshipping? Is $7. You'll get an email letting you know the time and everything for the class, the live setup. So we're gonna set you up, get your store straight and running, right? So look, let's check it. You've seen all the products listed in the store. Let's look at what's happening on the back end. How much money we done made in these 7 days? $129.89, huh? So 8 products sold. You seen everything that was listed on the store. This ain't no fluke. The proof is in the pudding. These are the products that's being sold right here. You seen all the products that I just went over, all the products. This is what we're going to be doing on Saturday. A live setup class. What the F is dropshipping? Click the link in my bio. Get yours today. When the customer comes to your store and buys the product from your store, this is how you make your money. You never have to touch it. You never have to see it. You just have to post it. Post it on your store, post it on your Instagram, your social media, your Facebook, your YouTubes, whatever the case may be. You just have to make sure the product is available on your platform. You getting the product from the plug for the low price. If you go getting the ounce is $150. You go sell the ounce for $200 easy, $220 easy. Right? So you can do that same thing, but with products, with physical products that you never even have to touch. Bruh, I know how to make some money. Backtrack on me. Before I started dropshipping, I was selling drugs. But then it got to the point to where it was like, I'm still on parole and I'm still taking these risks. I'm still taking these chances. I got to figure something else out. Because now I'm putting myself in a position to go right back to jail, and I'm cool on that. I was in a transition. I was trying to figure out, what can I do that's different from this, right? That's how I ended up finding dropshipping. I found dropshipping before I got in the ABS tribe, right? But it wasn't until I got in the tribe that I learned how to properly use those skills. See, because I found it on YouTube. I found it on Google. How can I take a product at a low price and sell it for higher? That's all selling drugs is, right? You don't even have to have the products in your house. You just have to put it on your platform, whatever that platform, your social media, your websites, right? So I know a lot, right? But what I feel like I got a good handle on, and I can share this knowledge, just dropshipping. But my methods are proven, right? And then I got into that dropshipping bandit that's in that BWO, you feel me? And that's like a whole step-by-step process, this, that, and the third. So it took my basic YouTube, Google knowledge to another level.